Shubor nakaslem jong Nongthymmai Hima.
Kawai ka Dukan KFC kabadan Nongthymmai kabala long try do uba haba biang sun la pelipat ba no menta ka khatsau tari uno pra arajar arpasau. Yakni ka Dukan na pelipat ba bat khabriban do try bat balapun kentang do father Jiral Khongji. Hadin bala da pelipat ba la penlong shwa ka jingpen kentang do father Jiral Khongji. Bala penlong ka jingalang ka balingkot ka jingadon lang ki bahayi hasam kinokit kam ka Shillong Nongthymmai ki senglong kami nangta ujoy deep duta ubadai regional manager Usandip Bora ubadai business development head bat kiwe. Hagani ka jingalang la yo e ka jingkran na utray ka ka KFC bala yo ru ka jingkran na urang ba Shillong uba bawan krim.
Shao blay ubalong ke jing sedang ublay ubalong ke jingkut alfa bad omega ke pedeng ke bari ke baro ngi IT kani ke sngi ke jongi bon pen kentang mau ya kini ke jingle jingkam jongi kam tam jo ke yeng ke sem jongi ba shampang ikong dari bat ki khun kiti ki jongi tu boleh belong ke telong jong baro ki jing bha undan ringkat bat phi ru pemen go para baro ki bau blei ula thau bat pensa baro ki jing ja uyalam badia baro ki kam jongi ki breu ki long ki babha bat ki badon jingmut bat kini ki penslur yangi ki banget ban yaro bat pendan buram yu lagi donut bat ki kentin ulang ketelong bagatamai jong baro ki jingker khu da kane ki jingle niam ngi pen benai ki jinget babaro ki ki trailang na kabanta kabha kamiat jong gitu ki bating bat e ju blay ngi tikna baha ki baro ngi de ban wa de ki jingerap ke jong blay nang ba de ki jing shania tli hakamon jongu ngin la ban le ki baro lingbau Chris na kabanta kaburam jongu tuai ba de jing kongo ki an bat kamon jong me ki pai reu nget ken la ban pendon kam ya baro ki ba melathau da ka donut ku bas ngongo ngi pa ni kene dau Chris utrai jongi kok pa jongi ba beneng kalong ba khoi keteng jong me kan wan ki Hima jong me kalong kamon jong me ha khndo kumba beneng tuai ngi menta ka jing bam jongi ka balaga sngi batu map ngi ringkang jongi kumbar ngi map ki bless ni ngi bailam ngi sha jing ben shoi rate plat ngi na bas ni amen lingbau Chris dang bat kat ka ba ki akendo ha ka jing em baro ki kentrei kamlang na kabenta ka jing bha jongki Dau Chris utrai jongi utrai undan ringkat bat phi tu blei badon bor baro un kur khu kur do ekane Kejaka badangi baro iwe piwe ukpa barukon baru mensim bakut. Enyero eujis.
Morning to everyone. I welcome you all here. It is with immense gratitude and excitement I stand here today to open the door of this KFC Nongthymmai. And this moment, it's not just the opening of a restaurant. It's also a celebration for support, efforts and blessings that made it all possible. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for His endless blessings, guidance and strength that have brought me to this point. Secondly, I would like to thank my wonderful parents who have been supporting me from day one till today. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to the headman, assistant headman, and to the secretary and community and the entire community. Your cooperation, encouragement, and help throughout the process of opening this KFC means so much to me. This is as much as your achievement as it is to mine. Am I truly thankful to you? A big thank you to Sir Sanjeev and the Devyani International and also the entire KFC team for trusting me with this opportunity to bring this iconic KFC experience to Nongthymmai. Your support and guidance have been invaluable in making this dream a reality. Lastly, I would like to give a special thanks to Father Gerald as we begin this journey. This KFC is more than just a restaurant. It's a symbol of community, opportunity and growth. And I'm proud to say that in Shillong, we already have around 4 existing KFC, and this is the 5th one, which is here located in Nongthymmai. And this company is really beautiful that even though it already have 4 existing outlet of KFC, but still they're willing to expand. And when I say expand, it doesn't mean that expanding their own business or expanding their profit, but also expand in a way to create employment for our youth of Shillong. So this is something which is very beautiful that some other companies have not done it. So most of the other companies only have 2-3 outlets, which KFC is expanding to almost every part of Meghalaya. So this is something very beautiful. And as we open our door today, I warmly invite each of you to join and be a part of this celebration. Thank you for your love, trust and belief in this dream. Together, let's make this KFC a place of joy, connection and success. Thank you.
Tengah ai kecing kublai yang basnong marsan pun iklan dan kanong kecing keranga lah kemen rangkat bangi banyak poin rangkat lang ketika segi berangkat ini yang bajon Krishna ba kata rangkat lang ki Nongthymmai napa Nongthymmai ki Nongkitkan nong yalam jong PDP mo layawan lang ban pencengai ban ai mensir ini kublai pun lang berpaga por bakador jumpi bat kabakam gerpang ai kecing kublai di do kardini amo try jong ketika building ibala ai ni akan dikejekan, ibala ai ni akan space, ban play akan di KFC restaurant. Ibala day mai bom ai akan dikejekan ni KFC Nongthymmai kan poin, semua. Dikejekan buat biang bah, basyak bah. Dikubisi pun kita nolor lawan lang baik pun cuti, ban ai mense ban penskal ini. Dengan ai kecing kublai kelum lang ya baro ki bahain ki besam kelum dejer kerteng ban nom simi kuat. Antara pada ki baro kini ki perlu perjuar ki balayawan lang ban ya simbenta ya kenika cing play kecengi program lebaran kecengi pan play kene KFC tengah ai kecing play tu ika KFC team atau KFC company lawan nabati nak keladon ni lalu por basang kumno ban ai design kumno ban net kenika setup e berkhoi kadai ke team kebawan apa company KFC tengah ai kecing play ki baro bat ai kecing play ini ki parlok media jungi rumo almut kelai pelai ke por dor marsun pun kelam kanu kecing tengah pelayawan ban platform ban cover ban ai coverage kendiat ya kenika program kulam kot kejengi tela don banga kombes ini no te coverage pun nak benta ka jingwan ka jengpi nak benta ka jingdon bentalang ka jengpi bat ka khadu tentang yawai kejing semua yang mulai terdira dan benta ka ni ke singi bai tenar kasih kaba kemen nak bangilala pada rumlan komni ban urlong ya kini kasih ka bangila ap nak ketuk ni banai nadu bangila sedang ban sna ya kini ka restoran ban matang sini lala ban urlong dalam day lembaga jingkerku ke jingkar kat ke jengu tekini gigi baro nginam lah ira ban long ro kumni kumagi long benta ini semua yublai benta ke jing sebon ke jing ha ke jing jengu te tang kini kemtian hi kublai shibon kublai shi jarmu